Morning, Wolverines. What we're doing today, quite basic, Lab 1. So here in the Canvas assignment, here's the link where you click to go to Quite Basic website. Here's the Quite Basic website. BASIC is one of the original programming languages. It's been around for over 60 years. Here's BASIC on the left side here, shown in green. The way you operate the site, you want to run a program. Up here, here's the play arrow. You hit that. Well, this program makes these circles that show over here on the output. What I want you to do today is experiment here. So click samples. You find all kinds of different programs that you can open up and check out see what they do. And yes, there are some games here. Nobody ever plays games in my classes, so I wouldn't know why you'd want to look there, but that's what I want you to do. And it's all for today. Have a great day.